These are my sweet potatoes, and I'm getting ready to do a sweet potato pie. And I don't boil my potatoes, I bake them, and then I will peel the skins off and come back and I'll put them in the mixer and mix and begin to add my ingredients for my sweet potato pies. Okay, I'll be right back. This is my 2.5 cups of potatoes that I am mashing up, sweet potatoes to make my pies. And this is what I'm going to need: the vanilla extract, the butter extract, nutmeg, cinnamon, evaporated milk, salt, 2 eggs, granulated sugar, and brown sugar. And this is what I need to make my pie. And I have my pie shell in the oven right here, heating up. Have my oven on 375, and I'll be right back. I didn't tell you about the butter, but this is the butter that I'll be using. It is melted, and it is 1/4 cup of pure butter, and it is unsalted, and that is why I will be using the salt, because my butter is unsalted. But I'll be right back. This is the finished product of my sweet potato pies. I know they are delicious. Please subscribe, like, share, and follow my page. This is Patty's Southern Kitchen. I thank you so much for your support and all of your comments. We will talk to you soon. Goodbye.